Today will be another big day for the retail industry. Pauline Lee is getting ready for the day after Christmas rush at the Fox River Mall. Hey, Pauline.
Hey, good morning. So Fox River Mall actually doesn't officially open until 8, but some department stores are already open. And that means amongst the early morning walkers, you've got shoppers like Katie Holtz from Appleton. Good morning, Katie.
Good morning.
So your first stop was Yonkers. Show me what you bought.
I went for the Irish ornament. Where my mother was 100% Irish, and so I have an Irish tree at home, so I go out every year and try to collect a few Irish ornaments.
Ah, okay, so did you find a pretty good deal?
I did. It was 70% off.
Ooh.
So that was very good.
Now, we already talked, this is, your first stop was Yonkers.
Right.
You have much more to go to. What's your game plan for the rest of the day?
I will definitely hit Bath and Bodies, and then I will go down to Macy's, but I will probably hit 7 Walgreens before the day is done.
Why 7 Walgreens? What's there?
Walgreens has all the little trinkets that I like for my St. Nick presents, and there's 7 in the area, so I'll drive around and pick up whatever I can at good prices.
Wow. Today is traditionally known as the day, a big day for, returns and exchanges, but Katie, you're not here for that. You're here for shopping for next year.
I am shopping for next year. I have 9 children between my husband and I, 5 grandchildren, nieces and nephews, and I love shopping, so I shop for all of them and try to get all the good deals.
Oh, wow. Do you always go out day after Christmas?
Always. Always.
That's when all the good deals are.
It is. I find it relaxing, and I also scope out because some of the stuff is 50% off, but if I go back like in another week or 2, it might be even more. So I kind of scope out for future sales.
I hope you all are taking notes. And just because Katie's out shopping today doesn't mean she's actually going to finish today. You're going to keep shopping next year, Black Friday, and up to, right?
I will shop up till the end for deals.
So how'd you do this year for presents-wise? Did you do okay with everyone? Everyone happy?
Everyone's happy. I have no returns so far, but we still have one more Christmas to go tonight, and I'm a little nervous about one present, but we'll see.
Okay, sounds good. Well, you have a busy day ahead, so I'll let you go. We're going to check in with some more shoppers coming up next.
All right, thanks, Pauline.